Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning's update on Winter Storm Kingston. So, Winter Storm Kingston is already bringing a lot of moderate to heavy snowfall across portions of Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and Oklahoma this morning. And as we go through the day, snowfall and freezing rain will increase in coverage and intensity, especially across these areas. And going into about 5 o'clock this afternoon, we're going to be seeing a lot of heavy freezing rain from Oklahoma City through Little Rock, Arkansas. A lot of heavy snow in much of Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, into northern Arkansas especially. And then as we're going into about 7 to 8 p.m. this evening, snow will spread east into Kentucky, northwestern Tennessee, southern Illinois, continuing across Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, into north central Arkansas, transitioning over to snow in Oklahoma City. Could even see some freezing rain in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And then going into about midnight, I'm going to be seeing a lot of heavy mixing around the Little Rock area through Memphis, Tennessee. And then as we're going into about 1 a.m., it's still snowing across much of Missouri, Arkansas, southern Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, and Tennessee. A lot of heavy snow moving into the Nashville area at this point. A lot of heavy freezing rain and sleet into southeastern Arkansas. And then going into about 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, heavy snow moving into northern Mississippi and Alabama, freezing rain in southeastern Arkansas. And then as we move later on into about 5 a.m. Wednesday morning, a lot of moderate to heavy snow will overspread Kentucky, Tennessee, southern Indiana, Ohio, into West Virginia and western Virginia. This will continue through about 9 a.m. Wednesday morning, with snow spreading into the Delmarva, heavy snow through the Appalachian Mountains. And then we're going to see a Cape Hatteras low begin to develop as we go into about 1 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, bringing heavy snow to the Delmarva and eastern North Carolina. And this will actually increase snowfall intensity throughout the day across the Delmarva especially. And we're going to see another round of light to moderate snow move through the area across the Ohio Valley, Appalachians, and Mid-Atlantic as we go into Wednesday night and Thursday morning. So taking a look at our latest snowfall accumulations in the 12Z run of the HRRR model, still looking at significant snowfall across south central Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, and northeastern Oklahoma of about 12 to 15 inches, and then about 6 to 12 inches of snow in southeast Kansas, north central Oklahoma, northeastern Arkansas, southern Illinois, much of central and western Kentucky, and about 2 to 6 inches of snow in the blue areas across south central Kansas, central Oklahoma, eastern Arkansas, northwestern Tennessee, and far southern Indiana. Looking at snowfall accumulations across the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic, looking at about 2 to 4 inches of snow in southern Ohio and Indiana and much of Tennessee, about 5 to 8 inches across much of Kentucky, about 5 to 12 inches in West Virginia, and about 4 to 8 inches of snowfall across the Delmarva. Taking a look at our latest ice accretion, not looking at significant icing from this storm, more of a nuisance ice event across Oklahoma and Arkansas of about 0.05 to 1/4 of an inch of ice accretion. And then looking across eastern North Carolina, definitely not looking at any more significant icing here, with only a few hundredths of an inch to 1/10 of an inch of ice accretion in eastern North Carolina. And closing off our video with our National Weather Service Watches, Warnings, and Advisories map, we have a lot of winter storm warnings across portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas, southern Illinois, Indiana, through Kentucky, Tennessee, West Virginia, Virginia, and eastern North Carolina in the pink areas, with winter storm watches in the Delmarva, winter weather advisories in the purples, and extreme cold warnings up and down the plains from the Dakotas through Texas in the blue areas, eastern and northeastern Montana, and western Minnesota and central Iowa. So make sure you're preparing for Winter Storm Kingston across the plains through the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.